Hello, Angela. My name is Devin, and you spoke to my wife and my partner Mary earlier today. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time with speaking with her, and then as well as checking out this video. So, really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things you guys can do to beat out classic fence. As you see, they rank right here at the top of Google when you type in Sacramento fencing. And the reason I chose this keyword is because it gets the most searches in the area, about 400 a month. So I know you guys don't do the same exact fencing as these guys, but I always like to go after our the highest competition in the area because if we're able to take out those guys, we're definitely going to be able to get everybody else. So, like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So, the first thing I'm going to talk to you about here is content. So, Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages, and the reasoning behind this is because Google not only believes it's going to keep customers on your page longer, but they believe it's going to keep customers on Google longer, which is going to allow them to sell these ads they have right here. So, Google's all about making money. So they're crawling websites trying to see who has the most authoritative content that's going to put them on this front page right here. So Google really likes to see a lot of content on them pages, and then equally important to content is keywords. So keywords are what customers are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for stuff. So as you see, Sacramento fencing, this is a high volume keyword in the area that you guys want to be ranking for. So adding in these keywords to your home page as well as that content, that's going to help Google send traffic to you, because when people are typing in these keywords, Google's going to crawl your website and realize that you do provide the services that are being asked of. So if you don't have it on your website, Google's not going to be able to find it. So having that on your homepage is definitely going to help you get ranked organically. So that's all I have for the tip one. For my second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies, so they'll give you a lot more power for using other fencing companies or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut sending links back to your website, because Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living, so they won't give you very much credibility for that. So I like to use a website called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there. You don't have to use this one, but as we can see, you guys currently have 28 websites giving you a total of 344 backlinks. So that's 344 times fencesbyarrow.com is listed in 28 different websites. And we see the amount of keywords you guys are using as well. So let's hop over here to classicfence.com. You see they have 295 different websites, giving them a total of basically 1,000 backlinks. And we see the amount of keywords they're using as well. So backlinks are very easy. So we can come in here, we can see all the different websites they have their business listed in, and I would recommend going out and grabbing these for your guys' business as well. Because but you don't want to just take their trash links. Like obviously you don't want any bad links on your guys' website. So you want to take their powerful links that they have. Some of these are directories, so you just create an account and then just leave a link back to your website. Some of these are blogs, as you see right here, that you just leave a little comment and then again drop a link back to your website. So you want to take their powerful links that they're using and then go out and get even better ones as well. So with those two tips alone, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section. As you see, they're ranked fourth right here. So if you guys want to be ranked right here in this GMB, this Google My Business section, this has everything to do with citations. And you just need to have more citations than these guys. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is just anywhere that you can list your business. So Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, Aerofence has 34 different citations, which wasn't enough to get them ranked on this front page right here. And you guys have 29. So if they have 34 and they're not up here, I would recommend going out and getting 50 different directories. And similar to backlinks, we can see exactly what directories these guys have. So as you see, Bing, Yelp, bbb.org. So you want to take all these different directories they have, go out there and get them for yourself. And then, like I mentioned, you probably want to go out and get 50 to 100 different directories just to certify yourself on this front page of this map pack right here. Sorry about that. So that's pretty much all I have for you, Angela. I try to keep this short and sweet and just really just informative. So I hope this information was useful for you. So again, we talked about content on this homepage, just 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, as well as those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for the services that you provide. And then Then we talked about backlinks, going out and grabbing these backlinks, and then going out and getting more powerful ones because you don't want to just tie with these guys. You want to beat them. And then same thing with these directories. So going out, copying these directories, and then going out and getting more. So again, I know you guys don't offer the same exact services as these guys, but I just wanted to basically find the top competitor in the area, because if we're able to get them and if we're able to rank in these high volume keywords, it's really going to help you guys as a business. So again, my name is Devin. My partner's name is Mary. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We also do Google ads and Facebook ads as well. We don't just rank websites and everything. So we also do website development as well. So again, if you have any questions, our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you, and we'll be looking forward to hearing from you.